make sure when you're jacking it up, you have your jack and a jack stand up under it for extra support, because I just don't trust jacks alone by themselves. So make sure you have a jack stand. Next, once you get all your bolts loosened up, leave one in so you can keep it up, because next you want to work on your power steering lines. All right, your power steering line is going to be located right there up top. That bolt that you see right there, that is an 18 millimeter. So once you get everything, all the fluid drained out, I just want to add that this tool right here, when you buy it, it would not fit. I guess this seal right here, which you would need, it's not allowing it to push all the way on there. So what I did, I got my grinding wheel and I grind down the inside of here on both ends, a little bit at a time, going back to check it. And once I was able to get enough, get it, you know, snugged on there pretty good. Right now, I got the bolt too far in. But once I was able to get it snugged on, I just stopped grinding it down. Then the bolt came right on out. So just to FYI, just to, you know, let you know that. But I'm gonna get everything switched over to the new one, and then I'll just turn it back on.
Tomorrow.
All right, YouTube, I got the new one out. You want to make sure you get this fitting off your old one. Take that O-ring off and put your new O-ring on, and install it. So I got it ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and get it up, and then I'll just turn it back on. All right, you want to make sure you do all three of your mounting bolts with some kind of thread locker. Just need a little bit. Right now, I'm gonna go ahead and get them installed, and I'll just turn it YouTube. So I had to bleed the brakes all the way over because the stern works with the braking system, and once you bleed it, you have to drive it a little bit, come back and check it again. It will be low, so then you will have to add some more to it. So once you add it to it, you put your cap back on, come and crank it up, and she's working like she's supposed to now. All before, I couldn't never turn right. It was always tight, but I can turn left, so now I can turn right and left. So it's all working like it's supposed to right now, and so that did it. So y'all like, share, subscribe. We out. Peace.
Perfect.